Now, I'm gonna teach you how to wear make body's bra. First, we're gonna buckle up in the front, like this. Now, turn it to the back and bring it up. Now, put your arms here, right side and left side. Step 2. Check everything in the position. In the bottom, one finger, like this. In the back. And cleavage will be in the center. And adjust strap. This. And there's enough space for one finger. Slide along. Step 3, bend down 90 degrees and relax your arms. You can put here or you can hold strap. I'm gonna put right here this time so you can show my movement. So put the front under arms into under breast and put into the cup. Like this. And fix a little bit. Left side, same thing. Bend down 90 degrees. And like this. This time I'm gonna hold like this. For the butt, same thing. And fix. Last step for making sure the bra is in right position. We have several points. Point 1. Make sure fix your strap. Adjust your strap. There's enough space for one finger, slide back and forth. And the bottom too, use the middle finger, like this. Point 2, make sure the cup is right fit, no empty space, and no fat falling out from the cup. Point 3, I'm gonna teach you how to determine the bra is in right position. So between nipple and middle clavicle, distance will be equal, like a triangle, like this. Usually like 18 centimeters. If it's not, you can adjust your strap up or down